So this recipe is for Lauren. She's asked me, can I show her how to make poppy seed bread? So this is poppy seed bread. So in Trusty Doris, I've got strong bread flour. I've got salt, yeast, warm water and some honey. I've put it all in with my mixing dough attachment, and it's been mixing for about 5 or 6 minutes till it's come into a nice ball of dough. So here's my dough of bread ready. I'm going to roll it out now and show you how I mix it all together to make a nice wreath of poppy seed bread. So I've rolled my bread out into a rectangle, and I've covered the top with some sesame seed oil, and then I've sprinkled poppy seeds all over the top. I've cut it into strips and now I'm twisting them. So twist them like a cheese straw all the way along. And then I'm going to get them all together and twist it like a big sausage. Bring it round, place it together like that. I'm going to put it on a baking tray. I can pick it up. Oh, it's so fiddly. There we go. And then any bits of your seeds, scatter a few more on the top. I'm going to cover this with cling film that I've greased first. Cover it up tightly and I'm going to let it prove for about half an hour. So my bread has been covered with some cling film that I've greased on one side so it doesn't stick. It's puffed up to nearly twice its size. And I'm going to put it in the oven now on about 190 for about 30 minutes. It's looking good, this. So my bread's had about 30 minutes in the oven. So I'm just going to get it out now and have a look what it looks like. There you go. There's my poppy seed bread. Tap it and it's hollow. Be having a bit of that after with my beef stew. So here's my poppy seed bread. Oh, I've got a bit of butter on it. That's so good. And that sesame oil just gives it that nice taste as well. Enjoy.